Good morning class. This is chapter number 7B of geography, that is India, climate, natural, vegetation and wildlife. So today we will discuss about the mechanism of monsoon. So monsoon is what? Monsoon is the seasonal reversal in the direction of wind. And there are two conditions. First is advancing monsoon and second is retreating monsoon. So first of all, what happened in the advancing monsoon? You can see in the given picture that during the advancing monsoon, the winds started blowing from the southwestern part. Now, during the retreating monsoon, what happened? That the winds started blowing from the northeastern side. Now, there are many factors which affect the mechanism of monsoon, but among them the one factor is differential heating and cooling of land. So, you know the property of land and water, that during the summer season, what happened, that the land, it heats up quickly and it cools down quickly. On the other hand, water, it takes time to heat up and to cool down. Now what happened during the summer season? That you can see that this land, it gets heated up due to the intense, or you can say high temperature. So as a result, here low pressure is created, and when the low pressure is created, the winds started blowing in the upward direction. Now as a result, on the land there is a low pressure and on the water there is a high pressure. Now you know that the winds started blowing from high pressure to low pressure, that is sea breeze during the summer season. Now what happened in case of India? Now you see that the Tropic of Cancer divide the country into two halves. So in the northern part it gets intensely heated up. So as a result, the low pressure is created over this region. Over the land there is a low pressure, and you can see that there are two water bodies. First is there is Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. So what happened, that in the Arabian Sea you can see that there is a high pressure is created. So what happened? That the winds started blowing from high pressure to low pressure. So this is the condition of advancing monsoon, that is a southwest monsoon. Now another condition is of retreating monsoon, that what happened during the winter season. It is just reversed of what happened in the summer season. So you can see that here during the winter season, in the second picture you can see that land, over the land there is a high pressure created, and over the water there is a low pressure created, and as a result the winds started blowing from high pressure to low pressure during the winter season. So now here what happened, that this part, that is the northern part, now here there is a high pressure is created, and on the water bodies there is a low pressure created. So here the winds started blowing from the northeastern side. This is a condition of retreating monsoon. Thank you.